Alright, let's do this.
I don't want to fall again though. Okay, don't worry. Nothing hurt. Is it what? No, how about you fall? Okay. Alright, okay. Is it videotaping?
Yes, it is.
Wait, stop it, stop it. How do I get on?
Want to catch a ride?
I can't get on.
Fine here.
Wait, okay.
I'm going back.
No, I'm going back. Oh my god! I don't want to fall off. Okay, I didn't want to fall off because I don't like. I'm sorry, my friend. I don't like falling off of things.
Go that way.
It looks like he's having sex with it.
Keep pushing.
Scary, eh?
Ow. Ow. My hand, my feet.
I want to go on this snail. Right here.
Save the horse. Ride the snail.
Ooh, okay. Yeah, this is fun. Oh, he's gonna like. Oh! That was intense.
Smack that snake.
Oh my god! Stop. Oh my god, Josh.
Funny thing is, this is going on YouTube.